Hi! In front of me is Xiaomi Redmi A2 and today I would like to show you how you can add photos to text message on this device. First of all, you need to open Messages app and select one of your chats. Then click on this plus icon at the bottom left corner and tap on all of your pictures that you wish to add. You can also select this gallery icon on the left and pick your pictures from here. Then tap on Add at the top right corner. Lastly, you can click on the same gallery app, but this time select Folders. Hold your photo over here and tap on Select at the top right corner. As you can see, after that, all of my photos were successfully added. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!